If you want to give your home screen a fresh new look, here's how to add widgets, customize your layout, and manage your pages right from your iPhone or iPad. Start by tapping and holding on any empty space on your home screen until the apps start to jiggle. Then tap on Edit at the top left corner. After that, tap on Add Widget. Let's go with the Notes widget for now. Tap on Add Widget, and once it's added, you can tap and hold it to resize or choose a different layout that suits your screen. Next, go into Customize to change things like app icon appearance, layout density, or even switch to dark or light mode for your home screen. After that, go into Edit Pages to show or hide entire home screen pages. Great if you want to clean up your home screen without deleting anything. You can also rearrange pages here with a simple drag and drop. And just like that, your home screen is now more personal, organized, and totally you, all in just a few taps. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.